Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I've started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stocks of USA, UK and Canada, and also share my daily market analysis on all the important forex currency pairs. So in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro British Pound for Friday 26 Feb 2021 only. On Monday, I'll be coming down again with Monday's analysis, but this video is for Friday only. So we can see that current market price is 0.8678, and we cannot ignore the fact, though market is rising now, we cannot ignore that fact that market was in huge downtrend. Okay, market was in clean downtrend, so we cannot ignore this also. So you can see I have marked two levels on the screen, 0.8730 on the upside and 0.8566 on the downside. So you can go for buy only above 0.8730. So this will be your best position to execute the buy order. Why so? Because market has reversed from here. Okay, and we all know price has memory. Okay, let market cross this level, let the price stay above the resistance for at least 1 hour. Okay, let the resistance become the support, let the price feel comfortable over the resistance, then only you should go ahead and place the buy order. At that point of time your risk to reward ratio will be in your favor. Okay, uh, to become a consistent profitable trader you need discipline. So wait for the price to cross this level of 8730, and if market starts coming down again, okay, wait for the 85669 level. I will tell you not to short below this level. Okay, this is your, if you are a risk taker, if you've got a good risk appetite, you can short the market here also, but I won't recommend it. For me, this is the no trading zone. This is the no trading zone for me. Okay, if market comes down to this level and reverses from here, then you can go ahead and place the buy order. If you spot some good price rejection from below, okay, or if you see some good buying volume, good good pressure from the bulls, then you should go ahead and place the buy order here. Okay, and why I'm telling you that you should avoid this shorting, why you should avoid shorting the market below this level. Let me take you to the 4 hours time frame. uh, Wait, okay, let me zoom out the chart. Do you see this point? Okay, 8632. Okay, from from this particular point, market made a huge jump to 9495 level from this point only. Okay, so this is this may act and after that you see market never came down to this particular price zone. This is kind of a for uh, untouched zone. Okay, and from this price zone only market has a reverse right now, so this is a still valid support for the market. That's why I told you not to short the market. If market comes down to 8567 level, then you can go ahead and place the buy order, but do not short the market because market may bounce from there. Okay, and in case market climbs and reaches the 8730 level, then you can go ahead and place the buy order above this. But below this level, you should not short the market, because there is still some support available at this point, this price zone. Okay, so be careful. And if you have got a risk appetite, then you can short the market seeing this rejection, but be careful. Okay, because from my analysis, or from my point of view, uh, these two are the levels. Okay, because I'm a trader who trades from level to level. Okay, um, this is my discipline. Okay, you may have your own strategy also. So anyways, this is my analysis for Friday. Hopefully you'll have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please like the video and subscribe my channel for regular market analysis. And if you want to know more about me, you can also visit my website. Thank you so much and good luck. See ya on Monday.